have to see. There is just so many. There's just so many ways that you can rearrange things right now, but I don't know. We'll see. I think right there is okay. If someone gets close, they can see it. Thank you. Like, I put in these right here.
No, put some. Okay. But what size?
It goes from 250 to 275. So small for.
One more right there, baby. That way they will
Okay. I'm gonna put one more right there.
You need to put two right. What is this?
That one just says air like this.
You don't want to add more?
I don't have to. As long as they see it, then they, it's there. And they're gonna know we have it. There's one right here too. They can see that one.
Wow, super talented.
Okay, that one looks good. So I got the last one right here. This is a 275. So we got these for 107 in the city, and we're gonna sell them for 170. Some are 180. It depends on the sizes, but hey, it's some money. So.
You see, you drink all this bottle right here.
No, it didn't. You put those there.
Liar.
This one I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. That way. Oh, this one's over here. I had to get this one. In this, in the city, there was actually one for cheaper. It was 130. You hear me?
134?
The combination right here. I saw it for 130. This one.
But how much is selling?
225. But it's alright because.
Call na may brake shoe sa kuan imong motor.
It's alright because we needed it.
Brake shoe ba?
Brake shoe ba?
Wala ka kailang brake shoe sa motor. Kana? Mga inani ba brake shoe sa brake?
Wala man brake shoe na ako.
Wala na brake shoe mo.
Kuan man kanang naang kasama to yung pang bitay-bitay da ba kanang naa brake pad. Mo kana abanti atras.
Malay ka kapalit.
Wala pa kayo pa ko'y kwarta.
Sige nang kaway kwarta pero nabe na.
Ay, mo ko'y kwarta. Ilisanan mo ko ako. Kanang abante. Basta gani pa-change oil pa gani na ako.
Makakapag-change oil.
Dili no. Makakubrag pa tawid.
How much are we gonna price the XRM? You said 125, right? How much did we pay? 60 something? I'm gonna price it for one. Okay. And then?
Let's see this right there, babe.
I'll put the price one. Alright, XRM 125. That one is what about the Baja?
How much did I?
I think it was like 60. Got another piece.